Recently we done a work successfully of challenging job of fabrication of damaged 36-ton Crane Jib onboard merchant vessel at Chennai. Approximately 5-ton steel renewed. Our expertise team worked round the clock and fabricated about 2,500 millimeters length each section at 4 sections. On successful fabrications of jib, the jib was subjected to full load test in presence of class surveyors. Finally, vessel master fully satisfied of our work. For further detail, contact our Hexxon Maritime Service Vice President.